congratulations sa ating lahat, no? For the two consecutive years now, I think INEC is on the right track at least, no? We attained once again for the second consecutive year yung top performing uh, award for electric cooperative from the National Electrification Administration, no? This is actually the highest, no? Merong outstanding EC, pero you only get that if naka 5 consecutive top performing award ka. Alam naman nyo, uh, alam naman nyo, hindi naman sa nag-uungkat na naman ako, ngayon pa lang natin medyo ibinabango ng INEC. So, yung 5 years na consecutive, medyo yun na nga, nakakadalawa pa lang tayo, no? Since we took over. So, but nevertheless, yung top performing, yun na nga ang highest actually. Yun na yung criteria ng pinakamataas in terms of performance of an electric cooperative. Lahat yun, point system yun on everything, financial, technical, and the other areas. No? Aside from the top performing, of course, meron din tayong mga other awards, best in collection efficiency. Ito, I like to take this opportunity to thank our MCOs. No? Alam niyo yung best collection efficiency by its very word, ibig sabihin, nagbabayad ang ating mga consumers, no? Ang ating mga MCO. This takes a lot of cooperation from our MCOs, no? Kahit na natatakot silang maputulan at the end of the day, kung pasaway ang ating mga MCO, mahirapan po natin ma-attain yun. Ang ating collection efficiency on the average is about 98%. That's why we got this award also, no? May mga ibang areas tayo, a little lower lang ng 98%, pero may mga rason yun, no? But overall, dun sa franchise area ng INEC, nasa 98% tayo. So, by the time na naniningil na yung ating mga supplier ng ating kuryente, which is Aboitiz and San Miguel, by that time, nakolekta na po natin yung ating pambayad. So, this really helps INEC in terms of its viability. So, yes, we got that award, but special thanks to our MCOs for their cooperation. We also got a award for the highest attendance of during the AGMA. Actually, record ng ating AGMA. Nag-a-attend ang ating mga MCO. For me, this is a sign na gusto nilang malaman kung anong nangyayari sa INEC, sa kanilang electric cooperative, which is a good sign. And also, this also inspires management of INEC and also our board. I'm sure this also inspires us to strive harder dahil may mga nanonood, may mga nakatingin, no, ang ating mga MCO. No? So, maganda yan. We take that positively na ang taas ng ating attendance sa AGMA. But again, ang talagang magandang balita rito, yung ating top performing.